So you step into the world of SMMA, or you've already been in this space for quite some time. But regardless, I think the both of us know that this space is becoming extremely competitive and it's difficult to cut through the noise. Now, for those of you who do not know me, my name is Asta, and I'm the founder and owner of Limitless Marketing. Now, I'm sure you remember when SMMAs were just about posting a few times on Facebook. Well, times have definitely changed and the competition is more fierce than ever. However, though, we're not playing to fit in, but more so stand out. That is the whole point of this video. Now, the market's absolutely swarmed with agencies all fighting for attention, sending thousands of DMs or emails to clients. And so it's becoming extremely overwhelming. However, though, as an agency owner who is still operational, we found a solution that absolutely sets us apart from the others. The word is AI chatbots. These aren't just chatbots. These are chatbots fully trained on your client's business information. Now, it's going to remove two key issues and pain points that your client may face. And let me tell you what it is. Number one, if your goal is to generate leads for your clients, you're most likely running a lead form campaign. And so when someone sees the ad and they like it, they click on it and then have to fill out a lead form, which then qualifies them, brings them over to you, where you or either the team or your client's team closes them as a client, and then you get your paid commission or your paid retainer fee at the end of the month. Now, the issue with that is, one, many people who may be interested in the product already have that gap of uncertainty, which is why they're clicking on the ad in the first place. That is one pain point. The second one is now having to fill out a lead form. For most people, that's too much. It's overwhelming. They don't want to do it. People have clicked away for much less than that. So you're losing out on potential clients. With the AI system, you now have the ability to run message campaigns. So you're running a campaign purely focused for messaging. What happens is when someone sees your ad and they click on it, they are given the ability to directly message your page with the question that they have. And the way we see it is these questions are the gaps of uncertainty between the client or the customer purchasing the product or the service. Now, having an AI system that responds to all of these messages instantly with pinpoint accuracy while also sounding as natural as possible is extremely valuable, because your client's customers are asking these questions, getting immediate responses, and are now much more willing to purchase the product or service. On top of it, when running ads for message conversions, if done well, you can be receiving up to 300 to 400 connections each day, which is translated roughly into 4,000 to 5,000 messages between the platform and the users. And if you don't have a fully dedicated team for that, on either end, it can be extremely overwhelming. And so by having an AI system, it absolutely removes that issue. Your client is not stressed about this or overwhelmed, and their in-house staff can focus on the things that they are assigned to do. So you're removing two major key pain points for the client and their customers. Now I want to show you a couple of examples of an interaction between the system and some of our clients' customers. And you can see what the process is like, or how at least it is actually working in real life. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bunch of connections on the left that are blurred out, but we're going to be using this as an example. The conversation was started by the user where they're asking for the location. The chatbot then responds with an image of the location and a shop location that should redirect them to a Google Maps link. Now, they ask what is the price for 1 bag of cocoa leaf fertilizer. The chatbot responds with the price of a 20 kg bag is $52.75. But if you're interested in a smaller quantity, we also offer 1 kg bags for $4.22. The user then asks best price for 10 bags. Now, because the client usually offers better deals on larger quantities such as 20 bags, we don't really have anything for the 10 bag option. Now it responds with, for 10 bags of cocoa leaf fertilizer, the total cost would be $527.50. This is based on our standard price of $52.75 per bag. We currently do not offer discounts for bulk purchases. And the chatbot is correct. We usually offer better deals on 20 bags, but for 10 bags we don't really have anything. However though, if they do come in and buy 10 bags worth of $527, most likely we will give them a discount, almost all times. So they respond with okay, and then the chatbot continues the conversation by saying, great, if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask me, I'm here to help. Now the client has confirmed that they're coming in on Monday, and the chatbot lets them know that the opening hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., which is very useful, stopping from people coming in too early or too late. It also lets them know if they have any other questions that they can ask. They ask if there are any other products, and it responds with they only have fertilizer. They say thank you, and the chatbot completes the conversation very friendly. The entire way that the chatbot interacts with the client is fully customizable. You can have it funny, you can have it speak in the tonality of Snoop Dogg. It is incredible what you can do with AI now. And so this is one of many, many conversations. Now, as you saw, it is extremely valuable. Now, a lot of people, when they hear AI mixed with SMMA, they hear AI automation agencies. And so it is a buzzword currently in this space. A lot of these AAA agencies are focusing on multiple or several different AI solutions that they can offer to their clients. And so they're spending more time trying to figure out on what they're going to offer rather than creating a service and a product that they can just immediately offer and stay ahead of the competition. By focusing only on AI chatbots, you're simplifying the entire process. You're focusing on one thing that does work and has been proven to work over and over again. So why would you overcomplicate it? Now, I know implementing AI chatbots into your agency may seem quite daunting, and if you have zero coding knowledge, it's quite scary. However, though, I think you'll be very delighted to hear that I have zero coding knowledge. As you can see, there are multiple articles on our agency implementing AI into the business world, and this was entirely done by someone who has zero coding knowledge. Now, the next step to take is very simple. There are two resources that I'm going to give you. One is a link to a YouTube channel down below in my description. Check it out and thank me later. Number two is a link to a Discord community filled with people very like-minded like yourself who are using AI chatbots to absolutely change the landscape, either in their own agency, their business, or generally creating chatbots to sell to clients. You can find all of the support there. It's an amazing community, one of the best communities I've ever had the pleasure of being part of. Now, if this video resonated with you and you like seeing this kind of content, please subscribe, like, hit the bell notification icon so that you can get updates whenever I put a new video out. And if you have any questions whatsoever or ideas, drop them down in the comment section below. I would love to see those. Anyways, I'd like to thank you for your time because your time is valuable, and I hope that this provided value for you. With that, I'm out.